In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up on GoDaddy step by step. Whether you want to buy a domain name, set up hosting, create a professional email, or build a website, the first thing you need is a GoDaddy account. The good news is that creating one is completely free and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can get started without any confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first step is to go to GoDaddy's official website. Open your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox, and in the address bar, type in godaddy.com. Press enter, and you'll be taken to the GoDaddy homepage. Make sure you're on the correct website by checking that the URL says godaddy.com. Once the page loads fully, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, look at the top right-hand corner of the website. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. When you click Sign In, a drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, you'll see the option that says Create an Account or New Customer, Create an Account. Click on that option to begin the registration process. This will take you to the account creation page where you can choose how you'd like to sign up. Now, you'll need to choose your preferred sign-up method. GoDaddy gives you several options, which makes the process very convenient. You can create an account using your email address and a password, or you can sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, or even your Amazon account. If you prefer a faster sign-up process and already use one of those platforms, you can simply click the corresponding button and follow the prompts to authorize GoDaddy. If you decide to sign up using your email address, here's what you need to do. First, enter your email address in the provided field. Make sure it's an email you have access to, because you may need to verify it later. Next, create a strong password. A strong password should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. After that, you'll have the option to enter a username. This step is usually optional, but you can create one if you'd like. Once you've filled in all the required information, click on the Create Account button to continue. After submitting your information, GoDaddy may ask you to verify your email address. If verification is required, go to your email inbox and look for a message from GoDaddy. If you don't see it in your main inbox, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Open the email and click on the verification link provided inside. This confirms that you own the email address and activates your account fully. Once you've completed the verification step, that's it. Your GoDaddy account is now active and ready to use. You can start searching for domain names, purchasing hosting plans, setting up professional email addresses, or exploring any of the other services GoDaddy offers. Your account dashboard will allow you to manage all your products in one place. And that's how you sign up on GoDaddy step by step. As you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.